Hey Jimmy, I'm kind of busy this afternoon. You mind doing what's in the shop today?
I mean, the wet bandits just showed up, but I got a couple minutes, sure.
What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of What's in the Shop Wednesday. Josh is down in Miami doing some things, and Isaiah's a little busy on the phone, so I'm gonna show you what's going on in the shop today. Over in the PPF bay, we have a Jeep Wrangler that's getting a full Expel wrap. They're just putting everything back together. It's getting finished up and ready to go back to the customer. Over here, we have a Toyota Camry that just got out of the tint bay, and now it's over here getting a remote start for those cool winter mornings. Here is a brand new Ford Ranger that just got the Ceramic Pro Silver package. It's curing right now, and we're gonna give the customer a call tomorrow and have them pick up. We have this big Ford F-250 in here. It got PPF on the front bumper, and then we put a Ceramic Pro Sport package on it. It's curing as we speak. We touched up the interior to make it look a little cleaner. I really like the wheels and lift setup on this Ford F-250. You might remember the Camaro from last week. This is getting a full carbon fiber racing stripe. Here is a Audi A3. It's getting a paint correction and a ceramic coating. It just got done with tint, and Patrick's starting on it now. It's that time of the year, so outside, of course, we have this Toyota RAV4, and it's here for a remote start and heated seats. Beside it is an Equinox, and that also is here for a remote start, keep you warm in the morning when you're starting your day. We have this beautiful Range Rover. It came in just for a cleanup and an engine detail. That's finished and waiting to go back to the customer. Let's check in with Luke at Gibsonia and see what's going on down there.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout, Tinting, Gibsonia, here to show you what's going on in the shop. Over here we have our good friend Rick's Chevy Silverado. Rick came to us from Michigan to get a wear and tear package and a full front clip. So what that includes is the door cups, the door edges, and the door sills in paint protection film. And then on the front, we're doing the two bumperette pieces, the two white painted portions of the bumper, the entire hood, the two front fenders. He's also getting some XPEL Prime 70% window tint on the front windshield to cut out the glare, UV rays, infrared rays, things of that nature. Over here we got Mark polishing up wheels for a Chevy Silverado. As you can see, they're super oxidized. So we're gonna bring the wheels back to life and then put a ceramic coating on them to preserve the finish that Mark has. Back here is a Chevy Silverado we're doing the coating on. We're gonna polish out all the paint on it, polish out the chrome on the vehicle, the front bumper, grille, running boards, and coat the entire vehicle. On this half of the shop, we have a Ford Explorer. This is in for a ceramic coating and window tint. The window tint, we're doing 20% on the front two doors to match the back windows. On the back windows, doing a 70% clear UV and heat rejection tint to help it stay more cool in the summer months. For the ceramic coating, we're doing an XPEL Fusion Plus coating on the paint, plastic, glass, and wheels. That's all for what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. We'll catch you guys back here next week.
Thanks, Luke. It's always cool to see what's going on at Gibsonia. Before I get out of here, I just wanted to mention to you guys, if you haven't already, go to winthesekeys.com on a chance to win a beautiful cinnamon stick orange Hellcat. Until next week, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.